Okay guys, let's learn about interfaces, and that's yet another way how to achieve abstraction in Java. So we will not use abstract class and abstract method, we will use interface as a keyword. Okay, as a keyword. So let's create preparation here. That will be interface. Interface, let's call it a car. Oops. Car. And here we are going to state two publicly available methods. Public void, operation A. So these are just names. And we need to work on these methods more. Where? Well, in dedicated class. So, class, what will be name of it? I don't know, like a more precise thing, like prototype A or model A, something like that. So how we are going to grab stuff from here to work on that more? Will we say extends, like in a couple of last tutorials with classical inheritance? Well, no, we are going to use implements instruction here. So implements from that car. Okay, so here we need to get into details. Public void for operation A, and what this thing will do? Well, it will just system.out.println I don't know, something like operation A or something better. I'm not creative about these things at the moment because it's kind of boring, you know, invent all these like prototyping type of strings. Well, there you go. Okay, that's the story for operation A. And for operation B, that's pretty much it. No warnings on the left side, no errors. Let me run this, no results because we don't have object, but we don't have errors, so that's cool. What about object? Well, let's create one based on model A. Okay, so we're gonna target this model and not car. Model A, what will be name? First obj or something like that. We're going to say new model A, and that's pretty much it. We do have a model. There you go. So we can use stuff from this model. First obj dot, and in the drop down we're gonna have operation A and B available. So let me run the first operation. There you go, and absolutely same stuff for operation B. Operation B. There you go. Why do have a hard-coded stuff B, and now everything is fixed? That's cool. Right, well, this is a very simple example. What about multiple interfaces? Can we have a couple of these handled in one class? Well, yes. So we will say interface, for example, I don't know, like a bike or something silly like that. And here we're gonna have public void, I don't know, like lights, and we need to care about this method in model A class. So let's handle that. I'm gonna copy paste this to save a little bit of time. What about operation? It will be pretty generic, let's say. And we will print like generic lights start. So this example is like Frankenstein, you know. I mean, car and a bike, and then we are doing some prototype, and then we have some kind of results. But you know, that's what we do in programming, prototyping all the time. So let me run this stuff, no problems. Can we use this method now on first object? Do we have it in a listing? Lights from model A. Will this work? Yes, it will work. Generic light starts, but actually here is correct to say comma and bike, and this will also work. There you go. Very simple stuff. So bottom line, if you don't want to type abstract class, abstract method, then just use interfaces, and then you can mess around with implementation with the body of those methods in a dedicated class, in this case model A. So what you are going to use, it's on you basically, because sometimes some people like one approach, some people like another approach. It depends about examples on internet. Whatever you like more, use that. If you find yourself working for some kind of company, well, they will have probably some kind of rules, but this is kind of easy stuff to understand, I think. So just new stuff are interface, implements, and the rest of the stuff you pretty much know. What methods are, how to create object, how to call specific methods. Yep. So that's it in this tutorial. Let me test this one more time. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next one. Ciao.